In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split accounts in QuickBooks. This process can be extremely useful when you need to allocate a single transaction across multiple accounts. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into it. First, make sure you are on the QuickBooks homepage. To get started, you'll need to click on the Sign In option. Once you're signed in, look for the choice labeled QuickBooks Online and give it a click. Make sure you've entered your credentials correctly in the login fields. After you've typed those in, proceed by selecting Continue. Now you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks dashboard. Here you'll want to locate the Transactions tab. If you hover over this tab, you might see an option labeled Bank Transactions. Click on it to navigate to a list of your recent bank transactions. This page will serve as our workspace for splitting the accounts. With these transactions in view, the next step is to select the specific transaction that you want to split. Once you've clicked on the transaction, a new pane will usually open on your screen, giving you more details about it. Now toward the bottom or in a nearby section, look for an option that says Create a Rule. Clicking this will allow you to manage how future similar transactions are categorized, which can be enormously beneficial for maintaining organized financial records. Within the rule creation window, you'll see an option labeled Add a Split. Select it, and this brings you to a segment where you can define exactly how and where to divide the transaction amount. It's vital to accurately allocate the amounts to their respective accounts to ensure your records reflect real-world expenses and revenues effectively. Fill in the necessary details to complete your split ruling. Here's a tip. Double-check your figures and account choices to avoid any errors that could lead to a discrepancy in your financial statements. When everything looks good and you're satisfied with the distribution, make sure you take a breath, perhaps a deep one, and click on Save. This action confirms that your transaction has been split as intended. And there you have it, a simple, efficient process to split transactions in QuickBooks. It might take a moment to get used to, but once you familiarize yourself with these steps, you'll find it becomes second nature. Keep this process handy for whenever you need precise allocations, and you'll be managing your finances like a pro. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher.